sit it way, way back. The tailbone almost touch the triangle of the end of the chair, all right, over here. And sit back like this. Draw your chin just a little bit like this, like make it stretch, going upward. Take 3 minutes and 5 minutes. Just sit down. I tell you my secret. All right. So everybody, you can do it by following me. Just say, sit back. Don't sit back in this way. All right. Don't sit back in this way. All right. Sit back in like this. You can either sit in the edge of the chair like this, and as a person who has meditated for a long time, then you are able to sit like this for a longer time. For most of the people, your spine is weak, so you don't do it in this way. So sit it way, way back. The tailbone almost touch the triangle of the end of the chair, all right, over here. And sit back like this. And put your hands like this or like this, it doesn't matter, all right, just put it here. Have your fingers slightly open, and touch the thighs. And then now, draw your chin back a little, and you don't close your eyes yet at this moment. Otherwise, you don't see me. Draw your chin just a little bit like this, make it stretch, going upward, all right? And then on purpose, you drop your shoulders. You pull your shoulders down on purpose. And you look at me, okay? And just pull it down. And you hold it, not very, very tight, just a little bit resistance there. You feel that, all right? You just keep that posture and hold it like this. And then focus on your lower dantian and breathe gently and deeply. Anytime when you have anxiousness, when your mind takes off, you just continue to bring your focus back to the lower dantian. If you feel there's any tension, now at this point you can close your eyes. If you feel any tension in any part of the body except the shoulders, you let go. For instance, your stomach and your chest and your thighs and your butt and your knees. But the fingers, you stretch open a little bit, all right? Like that. You just keep pulling your shoulders down like that and have your chin jaw pulled up. When you hold this posture, when you hold it for 3 minutes now, in silence, anytime when you feel your mind takes off, you bring your attention back to the lower dantian. You don't need to argue, right? Just bring it back. That's it. Keep pulling your shoulders down and hold it still there. Let go with the shoulders. Let go with the neck. Relax your spine. And that's it. When you sit down, so make sure you put the back against the back of the chair. And put your hands on your knees or on your laps. Hug your feet about your shoulder width. Smile, smile, smile. Put your tongue against the roof of the mouth. Inhale, lift up your chin. Then stretch forward a little bit, visualizing you're scooping a golf ball with your chin, and connect the golf ball to your neck. And then exhale, you lift the ball up towards the ceiling. Then lean back a little, drop your shoulders, and feel there's a little bit pulling sensation in the upper chest or the shoulders. And then inhale again. Smile, smile, smile. And remember, you do it slowly and gently. When I do this one, it takes like 10 seconds to inhale and 10 seconds to exhale. Inhale, stretch your chin forward and scoop the ball. Connect it to your neck and lift it up and then lean back. Inhale again. Then exhale. Lean back. Feel the pulling sensation in your shoulders and your chest and the back. Now exhale. Okay. Now we're coming to the end of the practice. Focus on your lower dantian. Take a deep breath. Now open your eyes. Continue to taking deep breath. Rub your hands. And then massage your face. When you massage your face, you do it like 9 times. Okay, cup your head. And massage your ears.